Hello everyone, so we are the group 134. We have as project quantum computing with BN1 Milan and our partner Lea Boudin. So to begin with, we have a project that is divided in two parts. The first part is the research part about quantum computing and the new notion of the new technology that is going to be very important in the future. And the second part of the project is an application of what we've learned during this month regarding this project. So I will let Nicolo introduce you a little bit about quantum computing, and then I will talk to you about the application that we've done.
So basically, quantum computing is a form of computing that uses quantum mechanical phenomena to perform operation in data. And we introduce also the concept for machine learning that refers to an area of computer and in the computer science in which patterns are derived from data with the goal to make sense of the previously unknown inputs. So now we can see the two applications, the first with Monte Carlo in finance and the second one with cryptography.
So as BN1 Milan is a bank, we choose to do a simulation about quantum computing in finance. So we rapidly learned that we can use the quantum computing to ameliorate algorithms like such as Monte Carlo to price financial derivatives. So we choose to present the pricing of the European call option. So that was for the first part of our application. And for the second part of our application, we do cryptography. So to encrypt a message. So for the two simulation, we've used the assumption of quantum computing and some libraries in Python that are given by IBM or others, for example. That's what we've done during this project. The first part, the research about quantum computing, and the second part, the application of this new technology in the financial world, for example, with Monte Carlo.
Thank you for that answer.